Ever pondered how to transform your YouTube passion into a paycheck? Let me tell you, you've landed in the perfect spot. We're about to reveal a myriad of strategies that are sure to work wonders for your YouTube career. These strategies aren't just any strategies. They are meticulously researched, tried, and tested. They've been proven to work time and time again by successful YouTubers from various niches. Today, we're not just giving you 1 or 2 tips. No, we're handing you 8 different, unique, and powerful strategies. They're our secret recipe, and we're sharing it with you. So strap in, pay close attention, and prepare to delve into these strategies. Therefore, buckle up and let's dive right in. Leading our tour today is monetizing with ads. The process necessitates affiliation with the YouTube Partner Program. To help you grasp the concept, we've compiled a systematic guide. Commence with Step 1, the creation of your unique YouTube platform. Step 2 is all about nurturing and expanding your channel. Your goal is to reach a milestone of at least 1,000 subscribers and accumulate 4,000 watch hours in the preceding year. Moving on to Step 3, you'll need to register for the YouTube Partner Program that enables you to earn through ads. It's an engaging journey, and just like that, voila, you've made the first strides towards earning ad revenue. Coming up next is channel memberships. This feature offers a unique way for you to monetize your YouTube channel once you've successfully cultivated a sizable following. This is a fantastic opportunity to invite your enthusiastic and devoted fans to upgrade their status by becoming official members of your channel community. For a nominal monthly fee, they can enjoy a plethora of benefits and exclusive features. These privileges not only include unique badges that stand out in comments and live chats, but also access to an array of custom emojis. Additionally, these members are rewarded with the opportunity to join exclusive live chats specifically tailored for them. All of these perks help to build a stronger community around your channel. In exchange for a small monthly payment, members will receive perks like badges, new emojis, and exclusive live chats. Our third strategy, fondly referred to as merchandise shelf, is a smart solution to showcase your official merchandise directly on your YouTube channel. This strategy, my friends, is not just about selling products. It's about transforming your channel into a thriving marketplace. The process is straightforward. You start by creating or designing your merchandise. This can be anything from custom t-shirts to quirky coffee mugs, or even trendy tote bags, anything that resonates with your brand identity. Once your designs are ready, your next step is to align with a reliable fulfillment company. They will handle everything from production to shipping, thereby easing your burden. Then comes the exciting part, selling. Begin promoting your products directly on your channel, turning your subscribers into potential customers. It's as easy as pie. The fourth strategy we're diving into today is Super Chat and Super Stickers. This exciting feature opens up a world of interactive possibilities for you and your audience during live chats on your platform. Essentially, it's a vibrant and playful method that allows your fans to stand out from the crowd. They can purchase these Super Chat messages or Super Stickers, each with their own unique designs and messages. Picture this. In the midst of a bustling live chat, a fan's message suddenly pops up, all bright and attention-grabbing. It's almost like a mini firework in the sea of constantly flowing comments. Your fans get the satisfaction of being noticed, their messages illuminating the chat box with bursts of color and creativity. They pay a small fee for these standout messages, but the reward is instant recognition, a direct connection with you, their favorite content creator. Meanwhile, you get to see these messages highlighted, making it easier for you to interact, respond, and create a more engaging experience for your community. Plus, the payments your fans make for these unique messages and stickers flow directly into your pocket, contributing to your earnings and supporting the content you create. And there's the beauty of Super Chat and Super Stickers. It's a fun, engaging, and effective way for your fans to connect with you during live chats. They pay, their messages stand out, and you earn. It's a win-win. Before we delve deeper into our next monetization strategy, let's take a quick detour. If you're really serious about making a successful YouTube career, then we have something special for you. Introducing the YouTube Mastery and Monetization course. This comprehensive course is designed to guide you step by step on your journey to creating your very own YouTube channel. Regardless of your current experience or skills, this course will equip you with the knowledge to build a successful channel from scratch. You'll learn how to create engaging content, attract and engage with your audience, and importantly, how to monetize your channel effectively. If you've been wondering how to create a faceless YouTube channel, this course has got you covered too. The best part? You can get a sneak peek of what's in store by watching our free webinar. It's a golden opportunity to understand the course's potential and how it can help you reach your YouTube goals. Just click the link in the description below this video to check it out. Remember, your YouTube journey is not just about creating content. It's about mastering the platform, understanding its algorithms, and utilizing the best monetization strategies to your advantage. And this course, YouTube Mastery and Monetization, is designed to help you do just that. So, don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your YouTube game. Now let's move on to our next money-making strategy. Now that we've discussed the YouTube Mastery and Monetization course, let's talk about a crucial component of any successful YouTube channel: engaging your audience and building a community. This might not directly bring in revenue, but it's an essential part of monetizing your channel in the long run. Building a community around your channel means creating a loyal audience who regularly watch your videos, comment, and interact with you. They are the ones who will drive your channel's growth, share your content, and contribute to your monetization efforts. You can engage your audience by responding to their comments, hosting live chats during premieres, and even running contests or giveaways. Remember, your subscribers are your greatest asset. The more engaged they are, the more likely they are to watch your videos regularly, click on your ads, buy your merchandise, and even become channel members or YouTube Premium subscribers. And speaking of engagement, if you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us get this information out to more people. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. We have plenty more valuable information to help you succeed on YouTube. Now let's continue exploring other ways you can generate income on YouTube, starting with YouTube Premium revenue. Number 5, YouTube Premium revenue. It all starts with a simple fact. When a YouTube Premium member tunes into your video, you get a portion of their subscription fee. This is because YouTube Premium is an ad-free version of YouTube where members pay a monthly fee to receive several benefits, such as watching videos without interruptions of advertisements. It's a fantastic win-win scenario for content creators and viewers alike, offering an ad-free, seamless viewing experience to the audience, while creators get paid for their efforts. The more high-quality content you produce, the more you attract this special group of audience members. It's all about consistently producing engaging and compelling content that captivates the viewers and encourages them to come back for more. The key is to create content that is premium-worthy, content that is not just good, but exceptional, content that stands out in the crowd, and content that continuously resonates with your audience. Every time a YouTube Premium member watches your material, you receive a part of their membership fee. So keep creating top-notch content to attract more premium viewers. Our 6th strategy is brand partnerships. This highly effective strategy essentially involves working harmoniously with other brands to create a mutually beneficial relationship. When executed correctly, brand partnerships can serve as a fruitful avenue to generate income. The goal here is to seek out brands that not only share a similar vision, but also complement the content you're producing. You should identify potential partners whose brand ethos, audience, and products or services align well with your own. Once you've done this, approach them proactively, presenting a well-crafted proposal. Engage in negotiation to settle on terms that are beneficial for both parties. It's crucial to maintain an open and honest dialogue throughout this process. Always keep in mind that your authenticity is your greatest asset. Our 7th strategy is crowdfunding. This method is a unique yet effective approach to finance your projects. By the power of the crowd, your dreams can become a reality. Crowdfunding is a compelling phenomenon where your fans, your followers, those who admire your work, and the zealots of your creativity come together. They do not just offer verbal or moral support, but stand strong with you, contributing financially to your goals. It's a modern-day patronage that thrives on the love and appreciation of your audience. It's a testament to a collective belief in your vision, your talent. The platform that can effectively facilitate this wonderful process is Patreon. It's not just a platform, but a community that understands your creative aspirations and is ready to back you up. Patreon assists you in creating a crowdfunding campaign, connecting you with your audience on a level which is more intimate and supportive. Strategy number 7 is crowdfunding. If your fans love what you do, they might be willing to support your work financially. Platforms like Patreon can help you set up a crowdfunding campaign. And finally, we arrive at our ultimate plan, our 8th strategy, known as license your content. This tactic is quite unique and can turn out to be very beneficial. Licensing your content means you hold all the rights to your material. If your video, by some happy chance, becomes a sudden sensation, goes viral, it's going to catch the attention of various media platforms. This could include renowned news outlets, popular television shows, and high-traffic online websites. All these platforms might show an interest in featuring your video. And when they do, you have a golden opportunity at hand. You can charge them a licensing fee for your content, providing you with a potentially lucrative revenue stream. This strategy is not just about earning, but also about gaining recognition and expanding your audience base. So there you have it, folks. The 8 strategies to earn on YouTube are monetizing with ads, channel memberships, merch shelf, super chat and stickers, YouTube premium revenue, brand partnerships, crowdfunding, and licensing content. These methods can help boost your income if utilized wisely. Creating content that connects with your audience is the crucial factor for YouTube success. Experiment with different types and formats of content. The key is consistency and enjoyment. Don't rush off just. We have some more value-packed videos lined up for you. So stick around and let's continue learning together. Until we meet again, happy YouTubing.